welcome and good evening. Today I would like to share with you guys about our final project. The final project is about Tic Tac Toe Game, and then our objective is to create a Tic Tac Toe Game for final project. The title is the title of the game is Tic Tac Toe Game. This is our coding.
This is our coding about Tic Tac Toe Game. So this first this is our call function, so that we have been programmed separately our program. We have divided into 12 of our program, and we compile by we compile one by one, so that we can execute and get the result. Alright, this is our first programming main function. So we have program, we use while, for, and if else. So we have program, we use row and column, which mean that we use for our calling function row and column. So this is our second program, play game, which mean that we program for computer move and player moves, which mean that for turn 1 and turn 9 is to tell the programming that we use numbers 1 to 9, so that when we insert the numbers, so it will display as X and O, which mean that computer which mean that if the computer is X, and else if computer is not X, then it mean we as O. Okay, DR board which mean that we displaying the win and lose the game. Okay, this is the core function of DR board. We use printf so that it will display at the tic tac toe. User first, which mean that we use child response, which mean that you have to insert, do you want to go first, which mean you have to insert Y or N. If you insert Y, which mean you will go first. If you insert no, then the computer will go first. We use this program as do and while, if else. Okay, this is our call function for middle open, which mean that we use board 1 to 1. We use if else and return 0 to 5. Find corner, which mean that we use if we insert the X and O, so the computer will find which board that the computer need to fill, so that the player will not easily win, and for not easily lose. This is our find site, and after all the insert of XO, so we must know which are the winner. So this program for call function find win. So we use row and column. This is our calculation of winning. Alright, this is for our symbol 1, which means that who is the winner will display as the winner, and to declare if the loser is will show as loser, and if we draw with the computer and show as draw as computer. So this is our computer programming move. Alright. If the computer not square, which means that we call the function of find win, find corner, middle open, and find side. So all this will make the game more difficult. So the player will not easily win. Okay, this player move. This is our square valid programming, and if the game has finished and they have declared winners, so this is our loop, so that we can use if we want to play again or we don't want to play. So if we type SY, so we will start from the beginning, and if we type N, then the game will end and end the program. Okay.
Okay, we will try to run the programming. Compile and then run. Do you want to go first or yes or no? Then I put Y. Enter the square. For example, number 5. Then enter. And then computer will choose the number, your own number, and I will see 6. And then you lose, computer win. You want to play again?
Alright, my name is Hafidini. So in conclusion of this programming Tic Tac Toe, we have learned that it's not easily to make this program, and it's not easily to execute this program as whole, which means we must program it one by one so that we can detect the error, and if any error that we find, we need to fix it so that we can execute it one by one, so the game will be smooth and perfect. So after we have designed it in C programming, our task is to convert it into MATLAB. We have converted this C programming into MATLAB, but it's not as easy as copy and paste. We need to reprogram and change the function and call function so that the MATLAB can read the program and execute as what we want to. Okay, thank you for your time and listening for our program, and I hope you enjoy this video so that you can try and maybe you can create a new program and make it more advanced, or you can change anything that you can with your own creativity. So thank you.